Okay, so for some stupid fucking reason, I don't have no clue why, but for whatever reason, let me just, where is it? Which video capture is it? There we go. As you can see here, in the videos, usually it would just take you to a download link, but now it just takes you to a video playback, which is not what I want. I just want to download the video as an MP4 file, not a video playback file. And I guess YouTube is like cheaped out or something, because it's so stupid. It is so stupid. So stupid. And I wish that they didn't do this, but I guess now they have. And I guess now they're stupid, so hey, whatever. I'm gonna keep recording, but I guess now I have to go through YTMP3, because that's what, I guess YouTube doesn't even want their own creators to download their own videos anymore, I guess. I don't fucking know. It's so stupid.